Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
As you create tables in Access, you will want to be able to relate the tables so that you will be able to access information from them through their shared or common fields by which they are joined. In Access, you create relationships between tables in the Relationships window. You can access this window by clicking the Relationships button that appears in the Relationships button group, called the Show Hide button group in Access 2007, that appears on the Database Tools tab within the ribbon. In the Relationships window, you add the tables from your database that you want to relate to each other. Remember that to join two tables together, they must have shared fields. To assist you in adding tables, the Show Table dialog box will appear. You can select the names of the tables to add, and then click the Add button to add the tables to the Relationships window. When you are done, close the Show Table dialog box. You can access it again in the future if needed by clicking the Show Table button that appears in the Relationships button group on the Design tab of the Relationship Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. Once you have added the necessary tables to the Relationships window, you can then create joins between the common fields as needed. To relate two common table fields, simply click and drag the shared field from one table and drop it on top of the common field in the related table to establish a join between them based on the values within the common field. You can actually click and drag from either one of the fields onto the other. Make sure, however, that you do pay attention to which two fields you are joining. You can join any two fields that have the same data type, so make sure you don't accidentally join two fields that you did not mean to join. If you do this, you can delete the join between the table fields in this window as well. When you create a join, Access will then assign it to one of the relationship types. A one-to-many relationship in which one record from the parent table will have multiple related records in the child table, the one-to-one relationship in which every record in the parent table has a single related entry in the child table, or the indeterminate join, which usually is indicative of an error and is very rarely used. Access will determine the relationship type automatically when you create the join. In the Relationship window, primary key fields will appear with a little key icon next to their names. Joined fields will also share a little black join line or a black join arrow between the common fields in the two tables. This indicates the join type that is shared by the related fields.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.